Have you ever wondered why dogs smell each other's butts? In the next few seconds, you'll discover the smelly secret behind this peculiar behavior. When dogs meet, they use their sense of smell to gather information. A dog's nose has up to 300 million scent receptors. This incredible ability allows them to learn about the other dog's gender and diet. The main reason, though, involves their apocrine glands. These glands release unique chemical signals found near the anus. It's like a doggy business card containing essential information. Sniffing these scents helps dogs understand social hierarchy and identity. In short, it's a natural way for dogs to communicate. So, next time you see it happen, remember it's perfectly normal. Hit the like button if you found this useful. Want more intriguing facts? Subscribe for more content.